Morning guys, today medyo nature trip tayo today dito sa Isle of Skye sa Scotland. Abangan nyo, mag-short climb kami doon sa tinatawag na Old Man of Storr. Tapos ngayon, dito kami ngayon sa Kilt Cliff. Yan, paligid niya. So ito yung parang para siyang kilt yung suot ng mga Scottish, yung mga tartar nila, yung national costume nila. Ganyan itsura niya. So makikita nyo doon sa kabilang side na yun, diba? Masyado siyang yung cliff niya sobrang tuwid na parang yung kanilang national costume. Meron dito parang telescope. Buti hindi pa ganun kalamig. So maghuhulog ka ng coin here para makita mo yung yun. Ito yung cliff siya, cliff. So may tanya sa baba, mga boulder na. So yung mga vloggers naglalagay ng stickers here. Siguro magaganyan din ako soon pag nag-subscribe kayo sa channel ko. Oh, may drone. So dito daw merong yung nakaiwan ng salamin. So there's a lake dito. Actually yung lake na to, dumidiretso siya doon sa cliff. Yung kanina may falls doon sa may Tapos may malaki pang lake over there. Pupuntahan namin. Imagine kung dito ka nakatira. Ang peaceful. Mag-stock ka lang ng food. Mag-stock ka ng resources mo for a month or so. And then after that, yeah, stay ka lang here. Malakas, strong yung wifi nila here. As in, Craig and Filed. Craig and Filed. Okay, we're starting the hike from here. Going there. This leisure hike lang naman siya. Na parking. So kung pupunta kayo here, consider going early kasi yung parking. So medyo okay ngayon kasi yung weather natin maaraw.
Wow,
it's not so cold. Pero need dyan, no? Wearing guantes na rin kasi baka mamaya mahangin. Syempre pagtaas. Going there. Doon. So far ito yung view. Yan. A view of Skye.
Yeah, so these are kind of
Ito yung easier route. We're taking the easier route. Mas family friendly route. If you want an extra challenge, siguro nung ka sa kabila. It's another extra challenge. I think mas longer tsaka mas steep ata yung daan doon. Dito I think may mga stairs. Napanood ko sa YouTube yun eh. May mga parts with stairs. Yeah. Yung background eh. So medyo maraming tao doon. So huwag niyong pansinin yung outfit ko. OA lang ako. Sayang kasi dinala ko na, di ba? Suot ko na rin. Yung guantes, hindi naman siya ganun kalamig. Face mask, gusto ko lang siyang suotin. Don't mind me. Ayun, so akitin namin yun. Mataas. Pero it's a light walk lang. Ngayon, tanggalin ko na to. Kasi sinisipon ako eh. Buti na lang talaga maaraw. Yung napanood sa YouTube, maulan, basang-basa. Hangin lang, ba't hindi naman masakit yung hangin sa mukha, sa balat. So don't forget to hydrate. At syempre, walk ito. Kailangan mag-hydrate. Pakita namin yung tsura. Ito na yung tsura niya. Yan din yung nandun si Manops Naalala ko nung bata ako, parang merong group sa Mindoro, Halcon Mountaineers. Basta sinasama ako ng tatay ko doon, pati yung kapatid ko sila doon para merong youth camp for hikers, mountaineers. Sumama ko one time or twice. Hindi ko kinaya. There are a few times na nag-hike kami sa may Mount Bako. Tapos meron pa kami dating trail na nilalakaran sa may pier. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng place eh. Basta akyat ka ng konting hill. Pagbaba mo, pwede ka maligo. Tabi nga lang ng pier. Dati may farm kami sa Calapan, may mga ganito rin. May mga hills na kami pinapasyalan. Saan yun eh? Sa Apitong, alam ko yun.
Oh, I can see you.
Tapos may farm kami doon dati.
Ayun na, may isang toy.
Yun, round point.
Leisure walk lang siya. Yan, bigot-ikot lang. Malayo lang pero leisure walk. And that's the pointed one, this one. Doon kami pupunta. So talagang tamang pacing lang yung hike namin na to. Kasi we have seniors na kasama. Walang extra practice ng hiking. Yeah, we go to the gym, do walking, but syempre, hiking is a different exercise. So medyo mataas na tayo. Konti na lang. The truck. Almost there. See the truck? Almost there. So medyo umaambon kasi nasa taas tayo. So may konting rain. Pero mainit. Actually pawisan na yung damit ko. Yung shirt ko pawisan na. So may konti pang hike. Ito na yung stone. Yung rock pala. Ito na yung rock. Yeah, that's it. Umuulan na. Need to go back. Need to climb down. Go back. Medyo umuulan na. Mabuti na lang naka-waterproof. Well, hindi kami lahat, but at least narating namin yung yung mga tao, yung rocks formation. Pababa na kami. May nag-play ng bagpipe. I'm not sure kung bagpipe or it's just a radio or MP4 lang. Pero ayan, but at least we reached that point. At it's a pleasant hike. Yan, tumutulo lang yung sipon ko kasi malamig siya. Pleasant what naman. Yun lang mga mabuti yung medyo ingat kami kasi madalas.
Okay, wait. Busit yung yung poste.
Sa isang buong rainbow.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda.
We have to send me.
Oh, yes, Scotland.
Oh, it's raining again.
Actually, from the hike kanina, sa ating pa ako, feeling ko may paltos na. Dito honesty yung parking. So kailangan magbayad ng parking through this machine. Diba? Hindi na kailangan ng attendant, pero may machine na doon ka na magbabayad. Pero ano si system? So going to the Fairy Glen. Short walk lang. Tapos marami lang poop ng sheep. Yeah, surprise us kung ano meron here. We'll see. Okay, so parang for me, itong Fairy Glen is when Bohol meets Batanes. Makita mo yung parang may mga hills, parang chocolate hills sa Bohol. Fairy Glens is just a rock formation. Meron siya nito. At it's a natural yun, natural rock formation that looks like a castle. Okay, for this video, I think this is our last leg in northern Scotland. It's our last full day here in Skye. It was a very pleasant, it's a very pleasant trip. A lot of nature activities. Scotland is something majestic, something magical. As in, para ako sa fairy tale, yun yung experience ko sa Scotland. Pag pumasok ko ng castle, yung sa Eilean di ba, para akong nasa fairy tale talaga, kahit na nirecreate lang yun. Nabasa ko lang sa book dati na Loch Ness. Ayan, nakita namin kahapon. Tomorrow we'll be back na to Edinburgh. After Edinburgh, following day back to London, and then back to the Philippines after ilang days. Yun, sayang bitin yung bakasyon, but definitely there be more vacation at here dito sa Scotland and UK and other places of sa mundo. But at least we're able to experience this kahit hindi naman siya lagi. Pero yun, kailangan pag-ipunan, but ayun siya. Ayun, bucket list check din. Okay, sige, babalik na kami sa baba.
Oh, you will see us.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
You will see us.
Ayun, aakyat lang sila dun sa taas. Okay.
Nakakit kami dun sa rock.
Sige, yun lang muna, no? So, grabe pala ng ilong ko. Lamig eh. Alright, sige.
Bye-bye.
Hope you enjoyed this video. And ikot-ikot pa kami. Visit Scotland soon. Alright. Thanks. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.
See, this is my dog. She's a cardigan Welsh corgi. She
Baxter.
would love it here. Hi, Baxter.
Baxter.
And what about him?
He's Benson.
Benson.
Baxter
and Benson.
Oh.
Oh, it's a show. Oh, wow. What a show. Thank you. It's so lovely. Hi. Can I say hi?
Yeah, by all means.
Hello. Oh my god. I've never met an English master before.
90 kilos and he's 18 months old.
Oh, you're only 18 months.
Yeah, she teaches puppies. There's a puppy
They
class.
take about 3 years to fully
I
grow. They
love
do.
the brindle.
He'll probably
That's
be
the brindle,
the
right?
brindle, yes.
Yeah.
He'll probably get to about 100, 110 kilos. when he's
Oh
fully
my
grown.
gosh. Thank you. Can I also say hi to Benson?
He's a little bit grumpy. You can see what he's like.
No, never mind. I understand because my dog is grumpy.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Oh,
thank
you're so
you.
beautiful.
Come on, big lad.
It's Baxter and Benson. Parang yun ata ang pinakamalaking dog na nakita ko in my life. Super big. Grabe.